buddy. Hi. We got Nolan a sled, so it's going to be his first time sledding.
Ready, bud? I'll come back closer. He can't move it on the snow gear. What do you think, buddy?
Nolan is 14 months. Very happy boy.
Fun?
He says, I can't move in my snow gear.
Relaxing mode. No. Ready? Relax, you look like a zombie. Look at him, Stace.
Hi! Is that fun?
Hi!
Don't stop, Dad. Keep going.
Uh-oh.
Your boots are coming off.
I'm taking my boots off. Let's go to the backyard.